Hi guys, today I received my GoPro 8, this is the black edition, and I'm a little bit disappointed with this camera. The first issue that I have with this camera is that the mount is redesigned, so the camera doesn't have this frame, and I'm using a lot of accessories like these sticks, and I don't tight the screw very much to have an option to adjust the angle of the camera while I'm shooting. And right now with this option the camera is tilting a lot, so this can be issue, and I think it's not well designed by GoPro guys. So this is the one thing. And the second thing with this camera is that I was watching the review of the DC Rainmaker about this camera, and he said that this camera is working with the accessory batteries. I have two of battery like this. This is the Newell. I was using this battery with the camera, it's a previous version of the camera, so GoPro 7, and I don't have any problems with this one. But right now this battery doesn't work with this camera. I will try to show you how it looks like. So basically camera doesn't start at all. Yeah, so I have only 3 beeps, sorry, and this door is get off every time I try to open. When I put the original battery, camera operates normally. There is no problem with that. Yeah, and this happens a lot. And the camera is turning off, but still the image is there. And yeah, so let's try again with this accessory battery. Dead. Yeah, so if you guys want to buy this camera and use it like this kind of batteries, for example, you are having the GoPro 7 and you are selling this old version and try to buy the new one, I recommend you to sell also these batteries and buy a new one, the original one. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please comment and give a like and subscribe, and hopefully the next version of the GoPro will be better.